In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Notion Education Plan. We'll walk through how to locate and add the Education Plan template from Notion's gallery, then make quick edits so it fits your needs right away. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your Notion workspace on the web or desktop app so everything you add lands in the right place. Begin by heading to the top left of your Notion window and opening the small drop-down arrow next to your workspace name. This opens a handy menu that gives you access to different parts of your workspace. From here, look for templates. Clicking this will take you to Notion's template area where you can explore pre-built pages designed for common workflows. If you're taken to the Notion Marketplace, you'll see a navigation bar across the top. Choose templates to make sure you're browsing the full template library. This is where you can find curated pages created by Notion and the community, all organized by purpose and category. Use the search bar at the top and type Education Plan. Give it a moment to return results. If you see multiple options, skim the descriptions and thumbnails to find the one that matches how you want to plan classes, assignments, or study schedules. It can help to open a template preview to confirm what databases or sections are included, like class lists, due dates, or resource trackers. Once you've found the Education Plan template you want, open its page and click Add. This action places a copy into your own workspace so you can edit it freely without affecting the original. Notion will prompt you to choose a destination, such as a specific team space or a private area. Pick whatever makes sense for how you'll use it. After the template is added, it will open as a new page. Now it's time to tailor it. Start by renaming the page to something clear, like the term or course it's for. Replace any placeholder text with your actual classes, goals, and resources. If the template includes databases for assignments or readings, add a few sample entries to test the flow and adjust properties like status, due date, and priority so they match how you prefer to track work. You can also rearrange sections, collapse those you don't need, and add simple views like a calendar or board to visualize deadlines. That's it. You located the Education Plan template, added it to your workspace, and customized it so it works for you. Save your changes and you're ready to start planning with confidence.